corporate story, Tata Sons continues to remain classified as an upper layer NBFC as per the RBI, which essentially means it is regarded as a large NBFC. As per its latest list, the company is among 14 other NBFCs who've been classified as an upper layer NBFC. As per an RBI directive dating back to October 2021, large non-bank finance companies are to list their shares on a stock exchange within 3 years, and that period is 2025. The Reserve Bank of India said the Tata Sons application to deregister itself as a non-banking finance company is still under examination. Ritu joins us now to put things in perspective. Ritu, many thanks for joining us. So, under examination, the application by Tata Sons to deregister and thereby avert a listing. So, safe to say that we cannot conclude that a listing is certain for Tata Sons in 2025. The window seems fairly open at this point in time to get an approval or an exemption from the Reserve Bank.
That's exactly the takeaway, Shireen, that, an IPO or no IPO for Tata Sons, there's no final word on that just yet, because as per Reserve Bank of India's periodical updates on the list of NBFCs that are categorized as large upper layer NBFCs, Tata Sons continues to feature on the list, and according to RBI's scale-based regulations, which were released in 2021, after which it followed up with a list of upper layer NBFCs sometime in September 2022, mandating all of these companies to go public within 3 years, that is by the later half of this year. That stands. But importantly, in the footnote to the list that has just been updated for the year 2024, the Reserve Bank of India does say that Tata Sons' application for deregistration as an upper layer NBFC is under examination. This is not the first time that Reserve Bank of India has said so. Remember, earlier in an RTI reply also it had said that it had received Tata Sons' application to deregister, and that was under examination. It continues to be examination even as of now. Keep in mind, we've been reporting earlier as well that Tata Sons repaid more than 20,300 crores of debt, to comply with the regulation to avoid, going public by September 2025, which it will have to do if RBI rejects its application. But for now, there is a bit of a reprieve where RBI is yet to take a call on the matter. Sometime last year, the Tata Sons had submitted its application to deregister as a core investment company, CIC, NBFC. But for those of you who are quite disappointed that there is the possibility of no IPO from Tata Sons, keep in mind there's another Tata Group company that still features on the list of these upper layer NBFCs, and that is Tata Capital, which will still be required to go public sometime later this year to comply with RBI regulations.
Yes, Ritu, thanks very much for pointing that out. So Tata Sons' application to deregister, thereby averting an IPO, that matter still under examination. But as Ritu was pointing out, Tata Capital will need to comply with the RBI's rules. Time now for us to take a